Hello everyone. Welcome to my Codeworks NX Freelancing Hub. Basically, I was created new freelancing project like it's kind of a startup program. Is a side part of the startup. So, what Codeworks NX do? Okay. So as you can see that key this basically service to find the freelancing services for your business purposes. Like you are like you're very smart in every kind of work like logo design, web design, and every kind of work like is required in freelancing based. Okay, so this platform is new platform. Okay, I'm trying to get some more popular to more user and more client to get more project, and then you can start and earn money through this. Okay, so this is a very interesting website. Okay, I will make this for you. So let me introduce all the overview of the website is what website basically do. So as you can see, this is a website. You can just search the job for here, and also these are the options like you can also ask the question of AI question, how you basically build the AI chatbot, and how Codeworks an expert and help you design this project. So they basically guide you. Maybe in future this is a beta model, so I will in future maybe upgrade that, maybe add more detail. But as you know, if you're using the AI system, so they may be taking charges in after a few days. Okay, so now this is a page. As you can see, this is a job listing platform, and this is a basically proof of the quality and these all things. And one more thing, you have to must join the job instant. We have basically made a WhatsApp group and already have a Telegram group. So you must have to share with your friend, and this will help your friend also, and this will help your career option. Is not for the freelancing job. This platform is for helping to get a job also, get the internship also. I'm trying to make more responsive, more enhanced, more reliability. User get easily to get job here in a free of cost. Like these cases. Okay. Oh, and here you can see these are the design. Oh, one more thing like hire talents. Like as you see, there a lot of clients are there. They basically want project, but they did not get the exact quality of the students. So what they need a very high level of quality of students. Like they can build a website, they can do anything, photography, anything, logo design. These are the things. Okay, so if you're really interested, you can just go and hire talents. You have to just go and hire talents, click, and these all things. So yeah, that's it. Now we have to just show me that first we have to sign up. If you did not sign up, that will not work. Okay, it's a password by the way. Let me refresh it. I think I did not recall the password. Just save that password. Let me see. Yeah, now it's basically login. Now as you can see, you can already first you have to log in, otherwise you cannot apply, you cannot see any other component like any other pages. You have to first sign up. As you can see, I also saw that there are a lot of people already joined, and they try to mention all the detail in the profile, try to mention all the detail what you basically want, and these all things like even you can follow them, even you can rate them. These are the things basically very easy for you. Okay, like there is also option for contact us, like this one, and privacy. When you go to the contact, they can you can just contact us if any kind of problem like you have to obviously want, you have to just mention the message. I will reply you soon as a. Now this is career option. Basically we are hiring for intern non-paid because this is startup business, that's why we are hiring intern non-paid. And it will help you like if you do, if you are doing if you are a student, okay, if you're doing side part, because I'm already told that this is my second project, this is my first project. I'm already building in the crypto trading, like investing type of website like grow and these other things. Basically this is forex website. I already built that. Maybe in a month I will introduce this, and this feature will be more great than other. Okay, there's two type, there's website and app also. Okay, now that's why basically I'm asking you, okay, if you join us, it's not gonna be like get some paid, but it can help you some more knowledgeable, like you did not get that from any other industry. Okay, so it very help you. Okay, you can just say my CV, and we will give some kind of some kind of assignment and these all things. Now as you can see in the higher options, you can see there's a connect talents. You have to connect here. As you can see, there are a lot of people are there. They already mention it what they basically do here and what they are. They are freelancer, or they are client. Okay, so let me connect with me, like me. So I am basically not setting anything, but as you can see, you can basically follow me, you can basically rate me. These are all the things. Okay, let me connect with Pooja. Okay, I try to uh, follow him. As you can see, user get follow, and I try to rate him, user get rate also. Okay, one more thing, like if you really want to, if the user pasted the project, and how do you get the project, you can just mail also, you can just message also, like I already see I have already message also here. Okay, so one more thing, yeah, you can join in my telegram or group also. Okay, it's a telegram group. So they introduce all these things, what they basically do and what they hour rate and these all the things. Now we must have to go on higher sector. Why we are showing this? Why we are showing this? Because this is form only for those person who interested in hiring the special people, like who basically very uh, urgent need for the project. Okay, like I this that's why I did not added too much form here, because I see it, there lot of people, they are back end behind me. Basically lot of clients are there, basically they wanted the project. Okay, and these all the things. Okay, you can basically when you post that, then you can also see the how many order you have created. Okay, there is an option, you can see that how many order created, and you can also create the add the project. Okay, now we have to go on hire view job. Here you can see those student who posted the job, and then you can just see the price, and you can see that key how effective they are, like what they are. When you just click on that, you get the overview, they view what they basically want. Like this one people, this one is not added some kind of another, like these are things. There are a lot of things you can add when you post the job. Okay, so now you can see when you just this is a dashboard, but when you just clicking on apply, so they directly send you ki how many job basically you are applied. Okay, and how many job you are discarded, you not interested on that. Okay, that's why, so that will be removed from your dashboard also. Okay, like you are not interested this. Okay, in future maybe we added some kind of report thing like this one, like when you add this, you can the you get the user id name who basically posted the project. You get the user ID, and you have to just click the id, and you can just message him. Okay, directly message him. You can even in future we will add calling and video calling as per the how much public are coming here and invest some money, like then we are invest on server also. So now this is all this thing. Now we have to go on main thing, like finding the job. I basically made this kind of job vacancy. Basically I was scraping this all the job is a newest job. As you can see, there's also mentioned ki when job is posted. Okay, these all things, this all the job has been given. You can basically apply them also directly, so that is very easy for you to finding the job. I think is very fantastic website also. Like user can easily get the job list and easily to find the job, like hire the, these all the company are not a very startup company. These all the company basically are uh, very product based company. I will add more company, but if you support them, I will add it. I will add only already scrap around 8 lakh company. Okay, I already scrapped 8 lakh company. Like you did not imagine that ki how many company basically I scrap. But easily to get all the job, like if they posted any kind of job, they directly render the job in my page. Maybe in future I will upgrade that and try to give some minimal price in a premium way, because I need to also earn money. That's the thing. Okay, and also you can get the internship vacancy, like how many internship, this is all time real time internship vacancy. Okay, you will get here all the detail. Okay, you can also already apply this. Maybe in future I will add more thing, but try to just give me support them, because I am giving 100% on them to make this video. I made this website. Your support will help me, and your donation will also help me. Okay, try to donate some money also, and try to do something, invest on me. I will try to make some new project and try to give you as a free of cost. Now, one more thing, like uh, how you basically, these all the options that, like profile. Here you get the profile, and here you get edit profile. You can also edit the profile here. You can add the profile here. Okay, and one more thing, like yeah, one more thing is that you, if you're really interested to create a job, you can just go, you can just you can just post the job, all those things. This is question basically asking one by one, so that is easy for you to understand this. And why I'm not added the form by form, because it's not good enough to because all the user cannot try to fill the job at a time. So I basically made this form like one by one, so this is very easy for you. Like and this help you when you just creating the job, then all the job will order section, ki how many job you have created. Okay, like I did not create any job, so I have no order section. Okay, and also you, more important thing, like in a setting, uh, you can also change the email and change the phone number and change the password. If any kind of doubt you have, you can just ask me here. If you really want, do not interest on that, you can just temporarily deactivate your account, but you have to be do not log in after 30 days. If you log in again, they will reactivate your account. Okay, so do not try to if you really not interested in that. But I know ki this is good software, good website, so why basically deactivate that. But I just added this feature for those who did not interested that. This will not, this will delete also, you did not get some mail through your ID. Okay, and as you can see, this is a chat notification. You will get some notification if any kind of project placed, so you will get all the detail, even you have get rating, follow, and these all things. Okay, and now go on the premium section. Why the premium section we have included? Because as we told that I have lot of client. Okay, like if you're really interested, you have to show your you show your skill. So you have to just pay as a premium way. When you just pay, you get the access of premium. Okay, you get the access of premium, you get the lot of project from there. Like even I basically send you the mail regarding what the project, if you have knowledge. Okay, if you have no knowledge, so I cannot help you. Okay, that's the thing. You can just basically go through and just buy that. Like you have just click on that, you have to just simply just get the Resolve Pay app, and you have to just pay it. Okay, these are things. I try to remove this. And okay, so that's all things. So if you really want to support me, so try to just join this and share with your friend. Hope you like this video. And this is my startup program, basic, not a startups kind of, uh, side startup program. So I'm basically working on my investing projects, like in blockchain, in crypto, and these all things. Okay, I'm already worked that because I'm already around working around 4 years. So if you're really interested, you can join us and help us. Okay, and then we can make kind of very big company like that. Okay, thank you.